Good morning and welcome to the locker room. Coach Ack here, and today's message is the right tool. When I was rebuilding my leadership career with my company, I started by working with people that other managers had given up on. For some reason, those managers hadn't been able to connect with these people or hadn't been able to communicate effectively enough to get through to them. But when I started working with them, many of them blossomed and outperformed any expectations we could have had. The main reason, I think, is that I was able to see their strengths and work with them there, rather than trying to make them something they weren't. Sometimes the best salespeople aren't flashy, confident, and big talkers. Some are quiet and caring. There's value in what a person brings to the table, and just because someone is effective in one situation doesn't mean they'll be everywhere. So where I may have trained people in the past to try to be more like me or blend their personalities with mine, it was never going to work. Not everyone can shoot the three in basketball, but if you put a team of just three-point shooters on the floor together, no, that won't work either. I wouldn't bet on them winning. So I recently came across a saying that really struck me in this area. The razor blade is sharp, but can't cut a tree. The axe is strong, but can't cut hair. Everyone is important according to his or her own purpose. Never look down on anyone unless you're admiring their shoes. I wish I could tell you where that came from or who the original author is, but unfortunately, I can't. It's real wisdom, though. We never know when or how someone may become the complementary puzzle piece that we need to complete a picture. Just because someone doesn't fit what our imagination says they should, that doesn't mean they don't have a lot to offer. In fact, whole new solutions may present themselves because we give someone a chance to share their strength. So today, let's be open to what people bring, even if it looks a little different. We'll get a lot further together, and we'll be on our way to our very best life. Thanks for joining me in the locker room today, guys. We'll see you next time. Make it an amazing day.